This review examines 5 models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, focusing on real-world usability, material handling, software compatibility, safety features, and total cost of ownership. Our testing approach combines controlled material tests, wood, acrylic, leather, and coated metals where applicable, speed and precision benchmarking, setup and software usability assessments.
List number 1. ACMER S1 Laser Engraver. The ACMER S1 is positioned as a compact, high-precision, diode-based engraver with a 130 by 130 mm working area, 6-watt diode power, approximately 48-watt machine output, and a 455 ± 5 nanometer wavelength. It emphasizes fine detail with a 0.01 mm repeatable positioning accuracy and engraving speeds up to 10,000 mm per minute. The device arrives 99% pre-assembled and is designed for straightforward startup, with compatibility for macOS, Windows, Linux, and support for Lightburn and laser gribble. Its compact aluminum chassis keeps weight around 4.2 pounds, enabling easy transport and integration into home studios or small workshops. In practice, the S1 excels at detailed wood, acrylic, leather, and some coated metals, offering crisp lines with a predictable, repeatable focus thanks to the fixed 2 mm focal length. The 6-watt diode provides safer operation relative to higher power CO2 class devices, and its Class 4 certification is typical for consumer-grade higher power diodes. The included 130 by 130 mm area is adequate for small batch items, like nameplates, jewelry engravings, or personalized gifts. However, the trade-off for size is depth of cut and cutting thickness, where thicker plywood or dense acrylic may require multiple passes or a larger bed.
List number 2. Creality Falcon 2 22-watt laser engraver machine with air assist. The Creality Falcon 2 is a premium, higher-powered laser system featuring a 22-watt laser with integrated air assist and a 25,000 mm per minute engraving speed. It supports thicker cuts, up to 12 mm wood in one pass, and 3 mm black acrylic in a single pass, and includes a 4-in-1 rotary roller kit to handle cylindrical objects. The machine is designed for higher volume work, with safety features such as an anti-UV filter, emergency stop, and a robust build suitable for small businesses or serious hobbyists seeking faster throughput. In practice, Falcon 2's Air Assist improves cut quality and edge cleanliness by reducing paving and burn marks, while the rotary kit expands capabilities for badges, bracelets, bottles, and other cylindrical items. The combination of Lightburn and Laser GRBL compatibility plus offline TF card operation provides flexible workflows. However, the device's weight, approximately 28 kilograms, and footprint demand a dedicated workspace, and the higher price point reflects the more industrial-grade ambitions. The 22-watt Class 4 laser also requires more stringent safety precautions and enclosure considerations.
List number 3. Longer Ray 5 Laser Engraver 20,000 milliwatt laser cutter 130W CNC laser cutter with 3.5-inch touchscreen laser engraving machine, DIY engraver tool for metal, glass, wood, leather, laser class 2. Longer's Ray 5 20-watt model targets users needing heavier-duty engraving and cutting, with a 400 by 400 mm working area, a 256 color palette for in-house color engraving, and a 0.01 mm engraving precision. It uses a 20-watt laser module and a 400 by 400 mm bed, offering multi-machine synchronization via a 240 MHz ESP32 chipset and support for Laser GRBL and Lightburn. It also emphasizes continuous operation with 7 times 24-hour capability and a protective cover plus safety features like an emergency shutdown. In day-to-day use, Ray 5 stands out for its large workspace, color engraving capabilities, and the potential for scalable multi-machine setups. The 0.01 mm resolution and multi-core control enable detailed, color-aware designs and more complex output. The main considerations are setup complexity and ongoing cost. The larger bed, higher power laser, and more advanced electronics translate to a steeper learning curve and higher maintenance. But the payoff is significant for makers doing larger panels, signage, or intricate metal or wood engraving on a routine basis.
List number 4. Longer Laser Engraver Ray 5 5W Higher Accuracy DIY Laser Engraving Machine with 3.5-inch touchscreen. The longer Ray 5 5W model is a more compact, budget-conscious option with a 400 by 400 mm working area, 0.08 by 0.08 mm laser spot, and 0.01 mm engraving accuracy. It uses a 5-watt laser powered by a 240 MHz ESP32 chipset and offers USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app-based connectivity for offline operation. It emphasizes safety features such as emergency shutdown and motion protection, and includes compatibility with laser GRBL and light burn. In practice, the 5-watt Ray 5 delivers solid performance for hobbyist workloads, engraving wood, leather, acrylic, and some metals with appropriate coatings. The large bed size makes it attractive for bigger projects, but the lower laser power means cutting thicker materials requires slower passes or multiple passes. The device's flexibility in connection methods and offline operation is a real plus for makers without a dedicated PC, though you'll want to manage expectations around depth of cut and speed when working with tougher materials.
List number 5. Acmer Laser Engraver Machine. This Acmer S1 variant presents a very budget-friendly entry point with a 2.5-watt laser, 2500 milliwatt optical, ~24-watt system power, and a 130 by 130 millimeter working area. It targets beginners and casual makers who want actionable results without a large upfront investment. The device is pre-assembled and uses the same compatibility stack as the higher power Acmer S1, supporting Lightburn and Laser GRBL on macOS, Windows, and Linux, and files like NC, DXF, BMP, JPG, and PNG. In practice, the 2.5-watt S1 is ideal for small gift engravings, sign projects, and delicate wood and light plastic work. The compact size makes it easy to place in a kitchen workstation or small studio. However, the reduced laser power translates into slower cuts and less capability for deep engraving or thicker plastics and metals. Users should temper expectations and plan for more passes on stubborn materials. Given its price, it's a compelling starter kit with reasonable future-proofing through software compatibility.